Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just gonna start by saying once again, thank you so much for getting me to SEMA in the future, but it's gonna be there. It really means a lot, and I'm actually going through like the paperwork. Although it's not paper, it's online, but I'm going through all the paperwork for SEMA and stuff like that of the cars, for the car where the booth location is gonna be and stuff like that. And they have like a whole map, and they showed me where the Pass Mag booth is gonna be, which is pretty awesome because it's just cool because like kind of becoming more real and real. Like I mean, like I know it's gonna happen, but it's like the scale of it is like insane. It's so big. There's so many companies. We're in Central Hall, which is the main hall. It's the performance and racing hall. Like companies like APR, what my wing is made by, KW suspension, brake company. Companies that are like race or performance oriented and stuff like that, which is pretty awesome. I'm looking through all of it, and there's actually after parties too, which I mean I kind of figured, but now I'm RSVPing for them. I RSVP'd for the Gran Turismo Awards, which is gonna be Wednesday night, and all these kind of like parties are held at like different hotels and stuff like that, and it's pretty crazy. I am gonna probably register my car for the Gran Turismo Awards since a lot of you want me to. I highly doubt I'm gonna win or anything. I mean, I don't know what I'm up against, but I just for my car to be at SEMA is like already insane, and my car doesn't really even deserve to be there because it's just like a garage built car with like a garage paint job and stuff. Obviously, there's millions of cars that are so high quality compared to mine, but I just kind of respect my own car because I did it. Nothing wrong with the people that didn't, but I'm just saying, that's kind of what my car means to me. So it's pretty amazing. But I am going to register for the Gran Turismo Awards. All they really require is your booth number and your vehicle number. So I guess they kind of go around booth to people that registered. And obviously, I think the initial award is basically being having your car in the actual Gran Turismo game, which would be kind of ironic to have a Need for Speed car in the Gran Turismo game. But I mean, technically, Gran Turismo 2, I think it was the first one that had the M3 GTR E46. So it's still kind of cool, but anyways, I mean it's so surreal and awesome. There's like a dub after party. I'm not gonna go to like too many of like the crazy like club ones. I guess I'd rather go to the ones that are like car oriented. I'm not really like a people person. I guess I'm a nice guy, but I come off as an asshole because I don't like to talk to people first, and I keep to myself. Like all I do is talk to a camera all day, and I sit in the garage and work on my car, and that's it. I have like one or two good friends, and one is my girlfriend, and the other one is Dan. Like literally, they're the only people that are like I consider like my true best friends. But I'm definitely gonna have to get used to vlogging in public, which I kind of find a little bit awkward. But I'm just gonna go for it. Screw it. My car's at SEMA. And everything. But I also want to bring you guys along to any of these things as I can. My camera's not too good in low light, so hopefully it's not too dark. But I do want to bring you to like the after party for the GT awards and stuff like that. So that's my plans. Right now, I already checked the trim, the rear bumper. Obviously, it all came out fine. I have side mirrors to do. I have the gas cap. I have the full side skirts, and I have the side skirt extensions that go to the flare. And that's really it. So I'd like to sand, spray, and paint the side skirt and those pieces, and then while they're in the garage, I'm just gonna start. I do need to pinstripe before I start putting trim on, because like there's no point of clicking on the door trim because there's gonna be pinstripes. So I'm probably gonna start pinstriping first, then like double side tape the roof trim on, double side tape the lip wing on, put on the door trim. If you're a big Discord person, I don't get the point of Discord, but I will go on there and talk to you guys and answer whatever questions you want. So if you want, do go to Discord. I talk about stuff. I'm already talking about the SEMA and stuff like that there right now. So if you want, go join the Discord, I guess, and whatever. Because I mean, I read all the comments. Like I'm very good at social media in the sense that I know a lot of people that have like a lot of followers and stuff like that. They don't reply to anything, nor do they read most of it. I literally my Instagram has no requests. I always just read them and reply to them. Sometimes I won't say anything back, but like I'll acknowledge it by like hearting it or liking the comment. Just because sometimes it's too crowded to be acknowledging it. But same thing with YouTube. I read all the comments, the bad ones, the good ones. Some of them I just can't really reply. Some of them are questions that are like so oversaid that it's kind of like you should know already. But either way, I'm gonna get to work on the car and just stop talking. So I made a lot of progress on the car before I even started recording. It was just a focus day. I got word that, I don't know if I mentioned already, but the car is going to be picked up Saturday or Sunday. But then he asked like what's as soon as I could pick it up, so I just said Thursday probably, because today's Tuesday and I'm already halfway done with assembling the car. But yeah, I just threw the wing on. Let me just go over some of the stuff. The rear bumper's on. This fitment's okay. That fitment's still trash. So I have to figure out, but the bracket there that's supposed to make it sit up, it is kind of turned, so I think I can fix it pretty easily. I just put the wing on and I snapped 2 of the bolts. I snapped that one, the stud itself, and the stud right there. I mean, it wasn't really that hard to tighten, but yeah, I decided to snap. So, thanks so much, APR. But whatever. I think this wing's gonna get different supports made sooner or later after SEMA. So for now, it's okay. We're not gonna be going to the track with this wing anytime soon, so it's okay. I threw in the taillights, put on the license plate, of course. I put in brand new weather stripping. As you can see, this is brand new, Johnny. Quality. I cleaned this up, put this on the other side. Oh yeah, I put on the lip spoilers. You can see it now with the wing. Yeah. I put on the weather stripping on this side too, obviously. I put on the same trim piece. As you guys saw, I already did the pinstriping all on this side. I did the doors, I did the door trim, so I clipped in the trim. I did this piece that goes up there. The trunk is done, obviously, and I think only the second stripe over there is done. So I might just go ahead and finish the pinstriping, finish the door pinstriping, do the door trim so I can clip it in, and then I'll probably use the double-sided tape so I could tape these roof trim things, because obviously the carbon roof doesn't have the pieces to clip into it anymore like OEM did, so it's just going to be double-sided tape down. And yeah, that's all for now. You're probably wondering where the corner things are for the wing, because the wing looks super dumb without them. I believe they're up there in that top left corner or something like that. Yeah, they're right here. I painted them silver, just like the game, where the outside of it is silver and the inside is still carbon. These still do need to be clear coated. That's why they're this matte finish. Both of them are there. That still needs to be clear coated. The gas cap has to be clear coated, and the mirrors are ready for clear as well. And so are the two rear fender extensions. I need to go ahead and spray. I need to fix the crack. I already fiberglassed it from the back. If you remember, this is the front extension that connects to the bottom of the fender. I bondoed the top. I still have to just sand it down more, primer it, spray that silver, mark it off, spray it blue, do the same thing for the other one, which I don't even know where the hell it is. Somewhere, whatever, it's somewhere here, hopefully. And then I gotta sand down the side skirts, spray them silver, mark off the place, spray it blue, and then we can just do a giant clear coat sesh. And I think that should literally be the last thing we have to ever paint. Not ever, but for now. And yeah. I do need to install the trunk latches, but I think I'll do that tomorrow, because the trunk has no latch at all. I don't think I'm going to drive the car today. No, I don't think I'm going to drive the car. So yeah, that's how things are going right now. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. The car looks pretty damn great from back here, though. Look how wide it is. I don't know why. I never really had the rear bumper on too long to like really notice how like beefy it is, but damn, she's thick. Except that side's just not fitted right. So yeah, slow and steady. I kind of regret rushing because they kind of made it seem like the car was gonna get picked up Monday or Tuesday, but it's just gonna get picked up a week later-ish. So that would have definitely given me way more time, because 3-4 days is a lot of time in my opinion to work all day. I mean today granted, today is just a slow day, man. I am so tired. That video I uploaded yesterday, I was up till, I got done painting like I said at 2 a.m. Then I was up until like for another hour editing or 30 minutes, and then waited for it to render for 40 minutes. I don't know why my computer's taking so long. And then I finally clicked upload at like 4 a.m. So I got literally 4 or 5 hours of sleep, and I was back up at 8:30 a.m. or something like that. So I'm just really, really tired. I'd rather end it early today and just kind of you know, get a full night's sleep so tomorrow I could be like super productive and wake up at 7 a.m. Obviously I still need to bring in the hood and put it on one of these things. I need to cut out the new holes in the hood not the hood vents. Yeah, the hood vents. They come without like vents. Like they look like vents, but they don't have the holes in them. They're like fake vents. So I have to cut out the holes in the fake vents. Put the hood face down, fiberglass in the new vents. I still need to put in the, what are they, the arrow latch? The hood latches, they're up there. I still need to bolt those actually in. I still need to put a badge on the hood, which isn't hard. I still need to put like this grill thing in the top on the hood. But yeah, it's coming together definitely. I just think personally, if I could finish paint today, that would be like already a big enough achievement, quite honestly, because then I don't have to worry about sanding or painting or any of that crap. It's just more of like assembly. And yeah, hopefully I get to at least drive the car a little bit before it goes to SEMA. That'd be nice. Maybe if there's like a meet or something, or maybe I'll just make a meet for people around here or something like that. I don't know, but it's coming along. So once again, guys, sorry for the lack of recording. Just way too tired. I did finish painting, so I'm officially done with painting. I got that done. The side skirts, the side skirt extension, the side mirrors, the sides of the wings, everything is the side. So that is done now. So anyways, I'm just gonna wrap up the video and see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Fully assemble the car tomorrow, I promise.